Hey guys, today we will be making a paper airplane similar to the one in the last video. So here we go. You take your piece of paper and you fold it like this. And you unfold it like that, and you do that. And do the same with the other side. Then you take this side and fold it in again. Then take it the other side and do it the same as the other one. Then fold it like that. Should look like that. Should look like the thing that Statue of Liberty is holding. Then you take it, fold out some wings, do the same with the other side. Okay, so there you go. You have your paper airplane. Okay, see you in the next video. Just make sure to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So see you in the next video. Bye-bye.